Yeah, fantastic day. This is the day before we head to Seattle for our cruise, and we're so excited. Today's all about prep. We're going to take you along. We're probably going to do a little bit of maybe eating out. Thinking about eating at a Greek restaurant. I've been craving Greek food, so I might take you along there. But we're going to go through our travel packing that we did for Alaska, things that we do. We've been to Alaska once before, so we're glad you're along with us. We hope you learned something. Let's get the day started. Tina made this really cool pet sitter notes. You can see it's got a picture of all the animals with their names on it. If you're not around 6 animals a day, you're bound to forget one of their names. So this was really cool. It has all of the information for them for the week, and it has an emergency number in case something happens. But look how cute they are. Some look like they're prison inmates. Others look very fashionable, aka Alani. Looks very good. So I have 2 pieces of luggage here. My big luggage container there is going to be for my clothes and my toiletries, and the second one is pretty much the junk that I'm bringing, mainly camera gear to record and take pictures. Alright, so I bought, all of this luggage was bought at Ross. I think even these little packing containers were bought at Ross. This one was. Some of these we actually bought on Amazon too, I think.
This is Amazon because I bought it the last trip I had.
Yeah, this one was Amazon, right.
This was bought at TJ Maxx.
Oh, TJ Maxx, that's right. My luggage was bought at TJ Maxx. And I think this was, like both sets for that and this was like $100 for both of them. Or $120 I think. I think the big one was like $80 and then the little one over there was like $40. But the packing containers you can get really cheap at Ross and or TJ Maxx if you can find them. This is a nice big one. So I essentially packed all my shirts in here. I have 10 long sleeve shirts and 10 short sleeve shirts and a couple polos. I'm going to be dressing in layers, so that if I have to put more than 2 long sleeve shirts on because it's cold out, I will. The next packing container, this is a little cheaper than the other one is, but this next packing container has all my pants. I have wet pants in here. What Tina calls, yeah, my pants are wet. What Tina calls my little boy pants. They're just pretty much like athletic pants. They're in here, and then I have Docker type pants, and then I have shorts in here, and then I also have my Mickey bikini swim trunks that I'll be using when we do the indoor pool. That's the cool thing about the Quantum. It has an indoor pool, so it's like 70 or 80 or 90 degrees in that indoor pool area all the time. So we are going to get to do some swimming and some saunaing. And this side has my hats and shoes and panties and all that good stuff in it. Panties, Tina. My panties. I'm bringing a pair of tennis shoes so I can work out. I have these. I'm actually doing a black and gold night for my 50th. This is actually my 50th birthday cruise. My birthday's not until September, but it's my 50th birthday cruise. We're doing it because, again, if you're watching my other videos, all of my family are pretty much teachers. So this is really the only time we can go celebrate. So that's what we're doing. So yeah, I got my I got some more other shirts in here. These are like long sleeve, like athletic shirts and workout clothes. Here are my comfy shoes that I'll just wear around the ship. I have my Muchaletta here mix for my beer when I get on. You gotta have that. And I have a little portable fan here also. I like it to be cold in the room. This little fan right here does the trick. I blow it on me at night. It makes me nice and cool. And then I also obviously have my belts and stuff in here. A lot of times I'll leave my belts, but hopefully this time well, actually, I know I'm not going to leave it this time. So I also, for my black and gold night, I have brought my suit jacket, sports jacket that I'll be wearing. So that's just kind of laying out. I don't want to roll it up or anything because it'll get really wrinkled. I'm going to have to deal with the wrinkling anyway. I'm probably going to buy some wrinkle-free stuff today. I think we're going to run to the Walmart or H-E-B and get some finalized stuff like glitter and
glitter.
Yeah, glitter for the trip. I'm gonna be glittering it up. All right, then in this bag I have my Beats headphones I'll be using on the airplane. I have binoculars. You definitely want to carry binoculars. Alaska, you can definitely use them to see wildlife.
Or the cabin next to you.
Or the cabin, yeah, you can look in the cabin next to you. That's what Tina likes to do. Mm-hmm. This is all my camera gear, batteries, tripods. This is for my charging. So I have a charger that does the USB, just the American outlet. So that comes in handy, and then all my wires and stuff. And then over here is my hats. This is my gimbal for my phone. And then I have my bag that I'm going to be carrying around while I'm on sea. This is my brand new Walt Disney World bag. I bought it the last time I was at Disney World. Tina and I also bringing some cards. I actually got these cards the last time we went to the Alaska. We stopped in Victoria, Canada, and I'm going to be bringing those with us. So we want to play some cards or something. You can see Tina's bag has got some spicy goldfish in there. She brings some snacks. She got some gummy bears that we'll have on the trip, and then she bought a bunch of Fig Newton bars, which they're absolutely delicious. So a lot of this food here is mine too, so she's not packing all that. There's mine and Gabby's in here too. So here's a better view of the magnets Tina made for the door. You can see they say from Texas to Alaska, June 24, 2024. They have the Texas flag as the background, like the sunset, and then they have the Alaska mountains with the little cruise ship there. Thought these were really well done, very creative by Tina. So we actually made these cruise shirts for the whole group too. This is Cruising Together, Alaska 2024. You can see we have the bear, the Alaska bear, and the mountain, and the cruise ship. So we actually bought extra of these shirts. We have one extra, so I'm going to sport it today in anticipation for our cruise. So I was strongly considering bringing an umbrella, but I've been reading that the wind is so heavy in Alaska that umbrellas are practically useless. So we're just going to stick with my Columbia rain jacket and hoodie. Alrighty, you're probably able to tell where we're at just based upon the color and where we're at. It does say back to school, yeah. Are you excited about that?
Are you freaking kidding me?
Look at that. I mean, they already got back to school stuff going. That's crazy, ain't it? They've got it all cleared out too for back to school.
I'm gonna throw it all on the ground.
Tina works in school district, and she does not like the fact that they're putting back to school stuff up. You know, these hats here, they got Bud Light, Busch Light, Pabst, Blue Ribbon, $10. So I got this body glove waterproof case for the iPhone Pro Max for my phone. And I was actually going to get one of the ones that hang around your neck, but this one's better. I can actually still record with it. 6-foot drop tested too. It costs $19.99.
It's going to end up being packed again.
I'm going to purchase one of these laundry bags here. I don't know if we're going to purchase a pop-up hamper or I would probably purchase the bag so we can pack it.
Yeah.
The pop-up hamper would be difficult to put,
Yeah.
even though it would hold more.
Yeah, but we don't have a wash machine.
But we don't have a washing machine, so I would probably get one of them laundry bags. We decided to go with the carry-on one, the Santa bag type, as opposed to the mesh. Don't want to really see my dirty underwear through mesh. So we're gonna be walking in the Tonga rainforest, so we also got some off. Alrighty, we made it out of Walmart. Only spent $152. Pretty good. Usually at Target, you spend about $5,000. So we're at a frozen yogurt place, and how fitting is this that I'm going to get Alaska Glacier vanilla ice cream. That's cool. We have leashes out here for dog walks for both of them, and then we also have all of their toys for every day in this box. Now we had to put them in this box because Ryder wants to jump in it and destroy everything. So we have to protect the toys from him. We even put all of our chairs up because the Roomba gets stuck underneath them. So all the chairs came up so Roomba can continue to clean while we're gone. Every item that our pre-cruise to-do list is now checked off. I think we're pretty much done. So our poor Coco, she has to take medicine every day, twice a day. She actually has incontinence, which means she can't hold her bladder. But as long as she takes her Proin, she's fine. So what we do for her is we crush the pill in our little pill crusher here, and then we've taken chicken and peanut butter. I cooked chicken in our air fryer. I didn't fry it, actually roasted it. And then I mixed it with the peanut butter along with the crushed Proin pill, and we've made 18 separate little medicine balls for Coco for our dog sitter to give her one in the morning and one at night. Alani absolutely loves to sit outside and watch the birds and the cars go by. She just loves it. She actually just turned around to look at me, but prior to this she was She was watching everything, watching birds and cars. So here's my little case here that I got at Walmart. I showed you earlier. It's just pretty much a plastic case here and a plastic case here, and even the lenses have a little bit of plastic over them. So it says it's a 100% waterproof. So we're going to test that here. We're going to before we actually put it in the phone around it, they want us to test it. So I'm going to take a napkin and I'm going to set it in here, and then we're going to submerge it for 5 minutes and see if we get any water on the napkin. And Coco's really excited about that already. So we got our napkin in here, and then we're going to seal this thing up. Make sure nothing's sticking out of it here. I think the key here is getting this to seal. You can see how you got to really press on it to get it to really clamp down. So we're going to make sure that all of this is sealed. So it looks like we got a good solid seal around the whole thing here. So we're going to submerge this in water, and then we're going to see if the napkin is wet. We're even going to splash a little water on it. Mimic me dropping it in a river in Alaska. Then I had to set something on top of it so it will stay underwater. So it states that it's good up to 6 feet underwater, and you can drop it 6 feet, and it's military grade protection. Our 5 minutes is up, so let's take it out and see if the napkin is wet. Drying this off so not to contaminate with any outside water. And it looks like we have passed the test. Not one bit wet, no water on it, fully submerged. So this is good. I actually like this one. I didn't want to have to carry one around my neck, and I should be able to record from this. It says it has good audio also, so I like this case. I'm happy that I got it. It's kind of pricey at $20, but I was thinking it might be worth it. Tina and I have been watching Veep for the last couple hours here. This is a funny show, by the way. If you haven't seen it, definitely get it on Max, because it's hilarious. Alrighty, y'all, we're going to wrap this video up right now. We have to be up at 3:30 in the morning, and it's almost 7:30ish. So if I go to sleep right now, I get about 8 hours of sleep. So that's what I'm shooting for. Got a big travel day tomorrow. 9 days, 14 people gone for my 50th birthday cruise. Cannot tell you how excited I am. Really looking forward to Juneau. I want to do iFly. I want to do the wall climbing. I want to do trivia. I want to see the shows. I'm going to do everything I can possibly do on this cruise. So anyway, if you like it, follow along with us. Hit that subscribe button. Comment. Tell us what you would want to do on an Alaskan cruise. Comment on what we're doing. We'd love to hear from you guys. I'm out now. Live problem free. We'll see you next time. Bye.